The Congress party's failure to secure any seats in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council has drawn concern, with State Working President Pinchgain N's aim stating that Vincent H. Pala, the party's state whip, needs to evaluate the party's leadership and the reasons behind the defeat. With poor results in both the 2023 Assembly elections and the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, the Congress now faces a difficult path forward. Its aim has stressed that the party needs to engage in deep reflections to determine the causes of its underperformance in the recent ADC elections.
Plus KBC mengenai berapa jam minut, plus kejadian mana election, dia nasuh bagai dia jisuki klik kalau ni ham, berkat dagui berkat.